Hello and welcome to Direct Express Help. I am Kwame. Today I'm going to walk you through how to register for a Direct Express account. If you are new to Direct Express or if you've had a Direct Express card for a while but have not created an account online, I am going to walk you through the steps to do that. Now, before I get any further, you have to remember this. There are two different ways of registering an account depending on the first 6 digits of your Direct Express card number. So, regardless of whether you're doing this online or doing it on a mobile phone, make sure that number one, you are landing on the right website for the card number that you have. And also, if you're using a mobile phone, make sure that you've downloaded the right mobile app for the Direct Express card number that you have. And I'll explain all that in a second. If you are new to this channel, I want to urge you to subscribe to our channel because this whole channel is dedicated to providing you up-to-date information on Social Security, disability, and Direct Express card. And we want to make sure that if there's anything that's happening both in and out of Congress that may affect your benefits, we want to be the first to let you know. So hit that subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So how do you register for a Direct Express online account? Well, the first step is going to the Direct Express website. And the website is usdirectexpress.com. So that's where I am right now. And make sure that you are on the official Direct Express website. Anything else that it doesn't look like this is a fake website. Now, when you get to the Direct Express website, you see that there are two different card numbers that have been displayed. And this is very important to know. If your card number begins in 533248, there's a different page where you have to then create your account. If your card number begins in 511563, there's also another page. So I'm going to walk you through both of them in a second. I'm going to start with how to register for a Direct Express online account for those of you who have card numbers that begin with 533248. So that is already clicked. And then I'm going to click on proceed to log in to go to the next step. It will bring you to this page. As you can see, there is an option to download the mobile phone for this specific card number. So if your card number begins with 533248, you're going to download these mobile apps. Whether you have an Android phone or Android tablet, then you can download it from the Google Play Store. If you have an Apple iPad or iPhone, then download it from the App Store. Now, once you've done that, or you can use the website on your laptop or computer, you're going to click on the register for an account link. And it will bring you to this page. And this page is very, very easy to follow. As you can see at the top, it gives you the steps you're going to have to take to then register for a card account. So, one, you're going to provide your card information, which is the last 4 digits of your Direct Express card number, the CVV number, which is the 3-digit code at the back of your card, the card expiration date, and then your full Social Security number. Once you enter all this information correctly, then the next button is going to be highlighted for you to be able to click on it, and then it will take you to the next page where you're going to provide information about you. And this is information you've already provided to the Social Security Administration when you sign up for Social Security benefits and when you sign up for your Direct Express card. The same information you use to sign up for Direct Express card, that's the information they're going to ask you about. After that, then you're going to review everything you've provided, and then you're going to do verification. They're going to provide information that is going to help you verify that you are indeed who you say you are. Once you do all that, then you will be able to create a Direct Express online card account. And I'll talk about the benefits of having a card account in a second once I get through all the account creation process. So, next, if your card number begins with 511563, here's how to create an account online. You check the box and make sure that is checked. Well, yeah, there we go. And then click on proceed to log in. You'll be brought to this page. As you can see, it looks completely different from the page that we saw before. So then you are going to then click on Create User. So this is to set up your account. So now you're going to enter your entire 16-digit account number. Here again, as I said before, there is a separate mobile app for card numbers that begin with 551563. So as you can see here, if you are going to use the mobile app to complete this account registration process, make sure that you're downloading an app that matches the card number that you have, whether you're doing it at the Google Play Store for Android products and the App Store for Apple products. So once you enter your complete 16-digit number, click on I am not a robot, and then click on the continue link, and it will take you to the next step of the process of creating your account online. Now, if you have any problem at all going through this account creation process, you can call Direct Express at these numbers provided on your screen: 1-888-741-1115 for customer service to get help. If you're abroad, if you're out of the country and you're trying to do this, call 1-765-778-6290, and customer service will be able to help you walk through the account creation process. Now, why is it important to have a Direct Express online account? Well, there are several benefits. One, you can use the online account to check your balance. It's an easy way, especially if you have it on your mobile phone. Once you've created the account, you can easily just check your balance on your phone, log into your account and see your balance. You can view and review transactions that you've made so that you're staying on top of your Direct Express transactions and make sure that there's nothing on there that did not come from you. You can transfer funds online from your Direct Express debit card account to another bank account. And then you can initiate other services online. So it is really easy to use the online platform, and you can also find ATMs that are in the Direct Express network. So as you know, you can make one withdrawal per pay period per government benefit deposit period. You're allowed to make one free ATM withdrawal in the ATM network that belongs to Direct Express network. So that is very important information to know. So that is the entire process of how to register for a Direct Express account. Again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I want to urge you to hit that subscribe button so that you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. So I hope this has been very helpful to you. If you have any questions at all about Direct Express, Social Security, or disability, you can ask us in the comment sections below. So until next time, we will see you in the next video.